the solution to this example, first thing we're going to do is create a formula that will check if there's a duplicate. So if, for example, we've got a 6 there, it must check and know that there's 2 6s. So the way we're going to do that, the first thing I'm going to use is a COUNTIF. And what we're going to tell Excel, so it's asking for the range, so I'm going to say look in that entire area there, and I'll put my $signs on, and count how many times you see whatever's in that cell. So it's going to look for the 1 and count how many times we see it, and hopefully we'll only see a 1. So I'm just going to click OK. Now that's not quite finished. We know that if this is ever bigger than a 1, it's a problem, it's a duplicate. So I'm going to build an if function around it. So I'm going to say if that COUNTIF is bigger than 1, comma, put the word duplicate, comma, otherwise I'm going to say make it say OK. Close the brackets, say enter. So you can see now when I copy it down, everywhere it says OK. And if I'd come here and put a 6, immediately we get the warning. But we don't want it just a warning, we actually want this entry to be stopped. For that part, I'm going to highlight all of these cells. I'm going to go data, data validation. I'm going to click on custom. And the formula we want here is we're saying that cell there must look at that matching cell. So I'm going to just click on it. No $signs, so that seems to make sense. As it goes down, it must follow along. I'm going to say that cell must equal the word OK. I'm going to click OK. So now if I go here and I type a 7, no problem, and we don't have an error message. But if I go here and type a 6, notice immediately it warns us of the problem. And we've got this warning as well, but more importantly, the capturer is immediately stopped from entering it.